Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in today's video, we are going to have a conversation once again. Right now, I have taken out $40 here, and as you can see, I haven't been making videos for at least 8 to 10 days. Now, the reason for this, my friends, is that I have already shown everyone my campaign. I have shown how I am using the campaign. I showed you all every single thing. Now, what did people do? See, I won't say this about everyone, but what did most people do? They started doing fraudulent clicks on my campaign. And my entire campaign got suspended. There are 12 clicks coming in. Only 1 call is being generated. 4 clicks are coming in. 3 call clicks are coming in. I mean, these people are doing it themselves. I mean, I don't know what problem people have. I really don't understand why there are so many fraudulent clicks here. You can't even see them because these are just the calls. I mean, in a single day, there are 200 fraudulent clicks coming to my landing page. So that's why I have decided that now I won't show my landing page or offer or any of these things to anyone. So my target was that, in 100 days, I'll make 10 lakhs. And see, I'll be able to do that very easily. I know that in the coming days, I am going to show you all the results every day, so I will be able to do that very well. But one thing I want to make very clear to you all is that, brother, keep this in your mind. If you are working on any offers, there is no need to help too much. Don't help anyone. If you do, you'll think, all right. Simple things, you can give a direction. You can provide the direction. Just provide the direction. So if you do all these things, then everything will be fine. Earlier, I used to give people payment proofs. After sharing the payment proof, people distributed it to 1,000 others. And there were so many scams because of it that the payment proof system had to be stopped altogether. So that's why now I don't provide payment proofs to anyone, because in the market, you have your own account and a live dashboard. If you join the batch, obviously, I will get your approval done. Whether I do it through my referral or any other way, I will make sure your approval is done. All right, but now I have stopped distributing things for free just like that. Right now, I have put $412 in withdrawal. In the coming week, I will try to make just $2,000 to $3,000. And obviously, I will definitely make it. But now I am not going to show the campaign as well as which offer I am running. I am stopping showing all these things now. All right, so as I had said that I will help you with everything, so if you have any questions, if you want to see this journey, write it down. I want to see this journey. If you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comments, what is it, how is it, what all needs to be done. I will teach you how to do campaign research, how to research a campaign, a profitable campaign, how to find the winning offer. I will explain all these things to you. If you contact me on WhatsApp, I will tell you for free how to find out which winning offer has been provided to you. If you want to ask anything, I will help you out. But there is a simple scheme. If you want to learn something practically, then you need to join the batch. Okay, so that is the thing I wanted to share, and as I have set a daily target, obviously I will show you all those things daily. So that's what we are going to do. I hope you liked this video. Alright, so I wasn't available for the last 14 days. I think I have already told you about that as well. So now, this will continue daily. Along with this, I have also decided that we are going to launch information videos as well. Now, information videos are also going to start coming. So, I think on the channel, there will be 2 videos every alternate day. Okay, so be ready. You are going to get information about PPC, SEO, and everything else. We are going to launch new information about everything. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.